Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this video we're going to be working on a hatchet technique. Actually, what we're going to be looking at is 4 techniques for defensive and countering for some of the most basic hatchet swinging attacks, as well as a straight line countering technique that is kind of specific to this type of hatchet where it has this nice edge that comes up a little bit to a point right here. So if your hatchet doesn't have it, you can make some adjustments here, but you'll see where we're going as we do this. Now, this is really effective and this is really important because a lot of times our basic cutting positions or our chopping positions are going to be coming in high diagonal, and then we can strike low diagonal. So what we're going to be doing is focusing on a blocking and a counter-attacking technique. Now, you can do this with double. If you have double, that's fine, that's totally fine, but it requires an extra sense of awareness of the weapon and the blade edge. So I would consider this more of a boss or like a higher level technique. So we're going to focus on just a single as well as a countering hand. This is close range. My opponent is right here and they're going to be trying to hack at me at this range. So what I need to be able to do is meet it right away. So we're not going to really worry about having this opponent go in and having full reach here. We want to jam them up. We're going to use both of our hands. Instead of chopping with this, I want to think more of punching forward like a press with the hatchet. So I'm not trying to chop through, I'm trying to press with the blade, okay, because I'm nice and close here. And I want to get my other hand up, not to block at the actual hatchet itself if my opponent's swinging in, but I want to block at the arm. Now you'll notice again, I keep mentioning we're really close here, so we have to have some good footwork. Now the footwork we're really going to pay attention to is called a split step. So I want to be able to push my foot out of the way like doing a bow stance, in a martial arts bow stance. So here I'm going to push out, here I'm going to push out. Okay, so I push out, recenter, push out. Notice right here, I stay center as I push out, as I push out. This allows me more waist rotation and more power. Again, we're gonna block up high. Now we're gonna turn to the other side. Now this may not be the best for attacking the person. Maybe this first one I can shove in, maybe attack towards the face. Second one, I'm gonna be blocking more with the blade edge towards their hand. They're trying to come back around right here. If they're starting to chop low, I want to be able to block low and block low. So again, we have up high, down low, down low. Now, once we're in all close, we're going to come straight up, jamming with this spiked edge right up to the face. One of the things that we want to do is that same split step so we get more waist rotation, more power in here. And then when you're done, straight up. So we're going to go up high, high, low, low. Again, high, high, low, low, high, high, low, low.